In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best PC cases available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the PC cases mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, METALFISH S3 Mini-ITX Gaming Case. The METALFISH S3 is a compact and stylish Mini-ITX gaming case, ideal for small space setups. It supports both 2.5-inch and 3.5 drives, ensuring versatile storage options. The side panel window allows easy visibility of components, while the built-in fan enhances cooling performance. Dust filters on the top and bottom keep your system cleaner for longer. With a sleek design and efficient airflow, this case is perfect for gamers looking for a compact yet powerful setup. Number 4, Jonsbo P60 Compact Computer Case. The Jonsbo P60 is a versatile computer case, ideal for gaming and workstation setups. It supports both ATX and SFX power supplies, offering flexibility for different builds. With room for 120mm fans, it ensures efficient cooling. The tempered glass side panel enhances the aesthetic appeal while allowing a clear view of your components. Designed for optimal airflow and storage expansion, this compact case balances performance and style, making it a great choice for gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3, A09ITX Chassis for HTPC Gaming. The A09ITX chassis is a space-efficient PC case designed for HTPC and gaming setups. Supporting PCIe 2.5-inch SSD drives, it offers fast data access for enhanced performance. The flexible PSU mounting allows customization for various configurations. Its ITX and Mini-ITX form factor ensures compactness while providing room for essential components. With one expansion slot for future upgrades, this chassis is ideal for users looking for a balance of minimalism and functionality in their compact builds. Number 2, ZZAW C2 Mini-ITX All-Aluminum Case. The ZZAW C2 is a sleek Mini-ITX computer case crafted with an all-aluminum body for durability and a premium look. Designed for compact gaming and office setups, it supports graphics cards up to 260mm in length. The side panel window allows easy viewing of components, while compatibility with ATX, SFXL, and SFX power supplies adds flexibility. With a minimalist yet functional design, this case is ideal for users who prioritize aesthetics, efficiency, and space-saving builds. Number 1, Jonsbo Z20 Compact MATX Case. The Jonsbo Z20 is a high-quality MATX case designed for compact gaming setups. It supports ATX power supplies up to 180mm and long video cards up to 363mm, providing ample room for high-performance builds. The tempered glass side panel adds a stylish touch while showcasing your components. A detachable carrying case makes it easy to transport, making it perfect for gamers on the go. This case is an excellent combination of durability, aesthetics, and functionality for gaming enthusiasts.